Welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I'm going to prepare chicken curry. It's very simple and easy to make. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Chicken cut into medium pieces, 2 kilograms. Onion finely sliced, 3 cups. Green chilli slit, 4 numbers. Curry leaves, 3 sprigs. Tomato thinly sliced, 1 cup. Cilantro, 1/4 of a cup. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 2 tablespoons. Black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. Meat masala, 1 tablespoon. Red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon. Lemon, 1. Salt to taste. Oil, 4 tablespoons. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this, add sliced onions and mix well. Then add some salt to taste and saute well. When the onion is transparent, add ginger, garlic, green chilies, curry leaves, and mix well. Let it cook until light golden brown color. Now to this we are going to add the spices. Make sure turn the flame on low. Add turmeric powder and coriander powder and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add meat masala powder, black pepper powder and red chili powder and saute well. Don't forget to adjust your spice level, okay? Now at this stage, add diced tomatoes and cilantro and mix well. Let it cook until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, let's add the cut chicken pieces and mix well. Then squeeze some lemon juice into this and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Cover with the lid and cook for at least 20 minutes in medium flame. Don't forget to stir occasionally, okay? Now, our simple and tasty chicken curry is ready. Our delicious chicken curry is ready. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.